I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to transfer your balance to a new SIM on Vodafone, follow these steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before you start the transfer, ensure that both your old and new SIM cards are active and registered under your name. This is crucial for a successful transfer. Step 2. Dial the transfer code. Using your old SIM, dial the specific balance transfer code provided by Vodafone. This code is usually *123* followed by the amount you want to transfer and the new number. Step 3. Confirm the transfer. After dialing the code, you will receive a confirmation message asking you to verify the transfer. Make sure to respond positively to complete the process. Step 4. Check balance on new SIM. Once the transfer is confirmed, switch to your new SIM and check your balance to ensure the amount has been successfully transferred. You can do this by dialing *100#. Step 5. Contact customer support if needed. If you encounter any issues during the transfer, don't hesitate to reach out to Vodafone customer support. They can assist you with any problems you might face. Remember, if you accidentally enter the wrong amount during the transfer, it can lead to confusion, so double check before confirming. I hope this helps you transfer your balance easily.